If you're looking for a spicy but tangy chicken wing, then you'll want to try this Nando's Peri Peri chicken recipe. Very similar to Nando's, this recipe has a kick of spicy, but powerful and delicious flavor that will fill your mouth. This chicken is packed full of flavor that is easy to make, so let's get cooking. In a food processor or blender, add 1 peeled lemon, half a cup of red onion chopped, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 7 Thai chili peppers, 2 serrano chilies, 1.5 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, half a tablespoon of rosemary, half a tablespoon of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Blend until a smooth, uniform marinade paste is made. In a bowl with 2 pounds of chicken wings, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, toss, and add our marinade. Toss again and make sure all the chicken is coated. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, allow the wings to cook for at least 12 minutes on each side. We can also add additional marinade halfway through. We'll repeat this process for all the remaining wings. And boom, we have Nando's Peri Peri chicken wings. These wings are juicy, spicy, tangy, and just full of flavor in each bite. We made this with chicken wings, but if you enjoyed, let me know in the comments and I might make this again with chicken breast. If you enjoyed, then be sure to subscribe and let me know what your favorite Nando's food is.